This is the year's garlic haul. I just finished hanging it up to cure, and I wanted to talk a little bit about growing garlic, and it's easier to show it to you than it is to really describe it. There's two different varieties here. There's Music on the top, and then there's another variety that a friend gave me to try below. I'm not sure what it is. I noticed they are smaller overall. But what you're looking for in the garden is this. This is how you know when the garlic is ready to dig. You want to look for these bottom leaves. You see how they're all dried up, and these are actually a little moldy because it's been a wet spring, and so they've just set in moisture a lot more. But you're looking for at least a couple of these, and you see how they're starting to die back all the way down. That's a good sign that it's ready to dig. That means the bulbs are mature enough to put into curing. So once you dig them, what I do is I gather them together. I have a line here in an outbuilding that I made with this plastic twine. I think it's plastic, whatever this twine is. And I've just attached it, braced it to some things. Made a pretty taut line. And then I've clustered them in groups of like 3 to 4, depending on the size. And tied them closely together first, like in a bundle first. And then tied them on the line itself. And that, line them all up together like that. And then we'll leave it to cure. I can't quite remember how long I cured it last year. I'll have to pay a little closer attention this year and make a note outside of the video. But basically what curing does is it dries out everything. It dries out the neck, it dries out the bulb, and creates these. You can kind of tell on these, some of these that got nicked a little bit. The outside is very thin, very fragile right now. Once this cures, it will lead to a much harder skin over the bulb, which helps with storage. Now, one thing to watch for these is that sometimes you'll nick them. So I have a couple out here I will show you. These are some that I'm holding back and I'm not curing because they won't cure properly. So this one, for instance, the bottom, the root part popped off. That will not keep, so I'm holding that back for fresh use. And then the opposite happened with this one. The top just popped right out of it. So I'll go ahead and hold that back for fresh use. And occasionally, if you're not careful when you're digging it, you can end up with, nicks and things like that. And sometimes just like completely cutting into the bulb or cutting into like a half a bulb or whatever. And that's not necessarily, with garlic, you can't cure it once it's been nicked like that. I had some last year that I tried because it was the first year I'd ever done garlic. So I was like, oh, I'll give it a shot. And the problem is that it molds as it cures. So I had to throw out some because of that. So I'm learned my lesson. This year I'll just use these fresh instead of trying to cure them this year. So I think that should work fine.